Do one push-up right now. Seriously, just one. Pause this video. I'll wait. Done? Good. But here's the truth. That push-up was probably wrong, and I don't even need to see it. Because almost everyone is making the same 5 mistakes. And those mistakes are quietly destroying your results. You've been doing push-ups for years. Hundreds, maybe thousands of reps. But your chest isn't growing. Your strength isn't improving. And your shoulders? They're slowly taking damage. That's because you're only getting a fraction of the results you should be getting. Today, I'm going to fix that. Not with more reps. Not with harder workouts. Just 5 simple corrections that will completely transform your push-ups. Why push-ups are underrated. Push-ups are one of the most disrespected exercises in fitness. People treat them like warm-ups, punishment, beginner workouts. But look at gymnasts, fighters, special forces. They never stop doing push-ups. Because when done correctly, this is one of the most powerful upper body exercises you can do anywhere. Mistake number 1, the T-shape, shoulder destroyer. Look at your arms during a push-up. If they flare out wide, your body forms a T-shape. It feels strong, but it's not. That position is crushing your shoulders. Every rep is forcing your shoulder joint into a position where tendons get pinched. Over time, pain, inflammation, injury. Tuck your elbows to about 45 degrees. Your body should look like an arrow, not a T. This instantly protects your shoulders, increases strength, improves control. Mistake number 2. Your chest isn't activating. Most people move up and down, but their shoulder blades don't move at all. That's a huge problem, because your chest muscles need your shoulder blades to move and contract properly. If they're frozen, you're doing half reps. At the top of the push-up, don't just lock your arms. Push further. Spread your shoulder blades apart. Round your upper back slightly. That's where your chest fully activates. That missing 2 inches? That's where the magic happens. Mistake number 3. The energy leak. This one is silent, but deadly. Your hips sag. Your core is loose. Your body bends like a hammock. That means energy is leaking everywhere. Instead of pushing power into the ground, you're wasting it trying to hold your body together. Before every rep, squeeze your glutes. Brace your core hard. Slightly tuck your hips. Your body should feel like a solid steel beam. Not soft, not relaxed, locked in. Mistake number 4. Chasing reps. Biggest ego trap. I can do 50 push-ups. Cool. But how are you doing them? Fast reps. Bouncing. Using momentum. That's not training. That's just falling and catching yourself. Slow it down. 2, 3 seconds down. 1 second pause. 1, 2 seconds up. Now each rep takes 4-6 seconds. Suddenly, your chest burns. Your muscles engage. Your results improve. Remember, your muscles don't count reps. They count tension. Mistake number 5. The silent shoulder wrecker. At the bottom of your push-up, do your shoulders collapse forward? Do they go past your hands? If yes, this is dangerous. There's no pain at first, but over time, this destroys your shoulder stability. At the bottom position, pull shoulder blades back and down. Keep chest open. Keep shoulders behind your hands. Think. Shoulder blades into back pockets. This protects your joints and increases chest activation at the same time. Perfect push-up. Here's your perfect rep. Hands just outside shoulders. Elbows at 45 degrees. Core tight. Glutes squeezed in. Body straight like steel. Go down slowly. 2, 3 seconds. Pause at the bottom. Chest just above the floor. Push up, and at the top, spread your shoulder blades. That's one real rep. If you can only do 5 like this, good. Those 5 reps are worth more than 30 bad ones. And when it gets easy, don't add reps. Make it harder. Elevate your feet. Slow it down. Add weight. That's how real strength is built. Now here's your challenge. Drop down right now and do just one perfect push-up using everything you learned. Feel the difference. Then come back and tell me, did it feel like the same exercise? It won't. Not even close. If you want to build real strength with simple movements, subscribe to Final Workout. Because next, I'm breaking down another exercise almost everyone is doing wrong. And trust me, it's even worse than push-ups.